Mailman just got here. Look at this. It's what you call an early Santa Claus. I know most of y'all won't recognize this box, but a lot of you will recognize it. And this box is glory. That right there, I can't tell you what that is. That's so top secret right there. That'll take your breath away. Unbelievable. Anyway, come out of there. You little tickets, you. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Santa. This is the Excavator 5. 2 pounds. 2 pounds. 2 pounds. 2 meager pounds. This is the M10. Look at that lip. For the rocks at Ocean View or anywhere. It has smaller holes in it, and it is a smidgen shorter in distance. Yes, sir. Taquito. Stand by. You can see side by side that the Excavator 5 is longer and a shade wider. It's not any wider, it just looks like it's wider. But you can see side by side it is like 3/4 of an inch longer. This one's 3/4 of an inch longer. And it's got the standard holes, and this one's got the smaller holes, but it's got the bigger, heavier lip for digging in those rocks. You know, the one I got now has got a lip welded onto the lip. I got a lip welded on here on the one I have just for those rocks. But then I decided to go ahead and get this scoop here and use it in the rocks. 32 millimeter, that's the biggest Mr. Rosalind offers. And in anticipating of these scoops, they were shipped on the 29th of November. I took my one scoop handle I broke off not long ago, the one with the big magnet in the end of it, and I'm going to put it in the 5.0. I got to do a little sanding, it looks like. Not much though, it should go down in there. And this is going to be strictly my dry sand and maybe some damp sand hunting. But like I say, this is a lot lighter than the other scoop. By 8 ounces or 7 ounces, I don't know exactly. I'm going to weigh it in a minute so you'll know. I don't have my other one in here to weigh it, but the other one weighs like 2.8 pounds, I think. This one weighs right at 2, I think. But stand by, we're going to get to that. Okay, the Excavator 5 weighs 2.8 ounces. Now that's hard to beat there, boys and girls, I can tell you that. 2.8 ounces. Same size as the Excavator 2.2, just made out of lighter material. Here's the M10, the bigger lip, and like I said, it's 3/4 of an inch shorter and smaller holes. It comes in at 2.13.9, so you might as well say 2.14 pounds. Not even 2 1/4. I mean, 2.14. Now that ain't bad for a heavy duty scoop. Now, I don't have a handle for that one yet. I just have to go buy me a fiberglass rake handle. I'm gonna put fiberglass in it because I think it holds up better. Much as I dislike it, it works good. But I'm gonna put wood in that baby. That taquito right there. I already put 2 coats of paraffin on it. You can see the paraffin it builds up at. Paraffin makes it grip good. Keeps the water supposedly out of it. But you got to do it a lot. Paraffin wears off fast. Stand by. Three STAVRS. Like I said, these two are the same size, except that one is made out of lighter material, weighs, what I say, 2.3 ounces. This one I think is like 2.8. This one's 2.14. But you can see there's a lot of difference. This one's much heavier duty. That lip, the hole smaller, makes it stronger because the holes are smaller, more material. Same way at the top. Less holes, smaller holes. But this baby right here can sift some shells right here, some sand. You see, there's nothing to it but holes. That's what makes it so good. Look at that, them holes. That's hard to beat right there, I can tell you. It's all holes, like one big honeycomb. Those of you who got them understand what I'm trying to tell you. Those of you who don't, I don't know what to tell you. I've used a lot of scoops. Okay, you'll see that one in action tomorrow. I gotta put another coat or two of paraffin on it, but she'll be in the sand tomorrow somewhere. And I don't know. I could be telling you a story. I may take this one. Like I said, this is a lot lighter scoop, not designed to be used in the big, wet, heavy, damp sand for straining. It's just lightweight digging. But the whole thing is light. Okay, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy.